Are you ready for an arty party? We're in the party pad. It's the perfect place for a party. So, let's get arty. It's the Mini Makers. All right then, my friends. Are you feeling arty? Yeah! Then let's party. Here we go. We're gonna have a party, and look who I've invited. The Shapes and Scraps. He's so excited. All the Mini Makers are partying too. But most importantly, we invite you. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Let's get arty, everybody party. Come on, everyone. Let's get arty, everybody party. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Hello, Scraps. It's great to see you, my friend. Now, what shall we make our party about today? You ever think about it? Have you got any ideas? Over you come, Mini Makers. Come on, my friends. That's it. Now, have a look at the screen. We're going to show you some clues. See if you can guess what our party is going to be about today. What can you see?
Apple! Ice cream!
And I'll give you one last clue, Mini Makers. What is it?
A banana!
That's right, my friends. It's a banana. So, what's our party going to be about today?
Food!
That's it. We're going to have a fantastic food party today.
Yay!
Whoa, careful, Scraps. It looks like you've got too much on your plate there. Oh, don't worry about those grapes. I'll get those for you. And you get a bonus banana. So let's think up tasty ideas for an arty party picture. What should we use today?
Glue sticks. Stickers. Cards.
What else could we use?
Tissue paper.
Are we going to use lots of dull colours?
No!
What are we going to use?
Bright colours.
Well done, Mini Makers. Some fantastic ideas there. And in fact, it's just given me a brilliant idea. Let's get arty at our party. Make your own yummy paper sandwich, packed with all your favourite fillings. But first, we'll need some things from...
The Noodle Shoe!
That's right! We'll need some coloured paper, tissue paper and card. A witch's hat. Nice try, Doodle Tube, but today we're making a sandwich. And we'll need some glue and some stickers. OK, Mini Makers, let's get started. Now, first up, we're going to get some background paper or card. Now, you can use any colour you like, but I think this bright yellow will look great. And now let's start to make our sandwich. I'm going to use this brown paper here, and I'm going to tear it into the shape of a sandwich bun. There, it's a very nice sandwich bun. Let's stick it down. And now we can fill our sandwich with lots of tasty ingredients. Today, I'm going to fill my sandwich full of tomato, lettuce and ham. Let's start with the lettuce, and we can use this nice green tissue paper for that. Tear a nice long strip. And to make the tissue paper look even more like lettuce, make the ends all jaggedy and scrunch it up a bit. Let's stick it down, and I'm going to scrunch as I do that. Now I'm going to use a darker green this time. Now you don't have to be neat, just make sure you scrunch up the lettuce. We've got lots of lovely lettuce. What shall we put on next, Alfie?
Ham.
Ham. All right then, my friend. Let's put some ham. I'm going to put some glue on first, and then stick on a nice piece of tasty ham. It's not real ham, it's just torn out pieces of pink paper. What shall we put on next?
Tomatoes.
Good idea, Megan. And we can use some red torn paper for that. Add as many tomatoes as you want, then you can stick down some more lettuce. And then, of course, we need a sandwich bun to go on top. Tyler, can you help me out? Perfect, my friend. Thank you very much. Let's put on some glue and top off our tasty sandwich. Oh, yes. That is looking very nice indeed. And now, to add a finishing touch to our sandwich, we can add some stickers. Jess, can you help me out? Now, you can put as many stickers as you like on your picture, my friends. One last sticker to finish off our tasty sandwich. Do you like the look of it, Mini Makers?
Yeah!
I'm glad you like it, because now you're going to make your very own arty party picture. But first, you need to put on your arty apron! It's time to start! Alfie has made a very tasty-looking sandwich. What do you call it, Alfie?
The double chocolate spread super sandwich.
The double chocolate spread super sandwich. And what's in the middle here?
Sweets.
Lots of sweets. And what are you using to make the sweets?
Stickers.
Stickers. They look great. Keep sticking, Alfie. That looks very tasty indeed. And I wonder, has anyone else ever had any arty food ideas? Let's find out.
Hundreds of years ago, a well-known painter called Giuseppe Arcimboldo lived in Italy. He had a brilliant sense of humour and loved painting pictures that made people laugh.
For my next trick, I'll turn this ear into an ear. An ear of corn.
Over the years, Arcimboldo became known for painting portraits made up of lots of weird and wonderful things, like vegetables, fish, meat, and fruit. His portraits featured cherries as lips and grapes as hair. These unusual paintings became famous all over the world, and his pictures almost look good enough to eat.
Tasty! You could say people had a real appetite for his work. Now let's see how the Mini Makers are getting on. Leona, this looks like a very nice ice cream. What flavours have we got here?
Vanilla, mint and chocolate.
Oh, I'm feeling hungry already. There's lots to enjoy on Brandon's picture here. What's this in the middle?
Lemon ice cream.
Lemon ice cream, one of my favourite flavours. But I don't know what this is. What's this?
A mocha.
A mocha? What's a mocha?
It's a hot drink.
Oliver, I can see that you've got some chips here. What's on top?
Ketchup.
Ketchup, very nice. And what's this down the bottom?
A taco.
That sounds delicious. Well done, Oliver. What's that noise? It sounds like someone's asleep at our party. Who is it, everyone? That's right, it's the Shapes. And I think we should wake them up. So after 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up! Scraps, let's party! Come on, mini makers! Let's all dance with the Shapes!
I am a circle.
Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air, triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody draw a square, draw it here, draw it there.
I am a rectangle.
Bounce everybody, bounce like you just don't care. What's it going to be? Wait till we will see a shape for you and me.
I am
Yay!
What's hiding behind the triangles? Can you guess? That's right, it's a cake.
That was fantastic, Triangle. It's time to get back on the shelf. Oh, look!
Scrap's surprise party popper. What a tasty-looking torn paper strawberry. Today, Scraps is getting some help from one of the mini makers.
Hi, I'm Taya, and today we're going to make a torn paper strawberry. Here's how to do it. Get a piece of lilac card and lay it down on your work desk. After that, you get your red piece of card and slowly tear it into a strawberry shape. Gently tear around until you've got your shape. Lots of little tears. And when you've done that, glue it down onto your piece of purple card. And after you've done that, get your green card and gently tear some green leaves to fit onto your strawberry. And finally, get your luminous yellow stickers and stick them all over your strawberry. And there you have it. It looks really yummy, doesn't it?
What a scrumptious strawberry. Thanks, Taya. And you can make any type of torn paper fruit you like.
Amy, that looks amazing. What have you made?
I made a tomato.
Oh, well, it's very nice indeed. And how did you make all the seeds?
I used little yellow stickers.
Well, they look brilliant. What a great tomato. Fletcher, this is very interesting. You've made some corn. Now, you used different types of paper. What have you used?
I've used brown paper, a light yellow paper and a darker yellow paper so it gets the effect of the corn.
It looks really good. This looks like a very healthy picture. Jessica has made some cherries. And what finishing touches have you added?
I've added 2 stickers for light reflection, a stalk and a leaf.
Wow, it looks brilliant. Just like the real thing. Well done, Jessica, and well done, Mini Makers. But right now, follow me. Follow me this way, Mini Makers. That's it, my friends. That's it, over you come. Now, you are about to make a brilliant party picture. Have a look at the screen and see if you can guess what it is.
What picture are today's mini makers making? Any ideas? What do you think it could be?
It was a bowl of ice cream. It was a brilliant picture. And that is a brilliant sound because it means it's time for... So it's over to Party Cam to find out which mini makers are playing today. Off you go. It's Leona! Who's next? Let's find out. It's Ewan! And last but not least, who is it? It's Brandon! Well done, my friends. You've been chosen for a very special Arty Challenge! Yay! It's nearly dinner time, and mini makers today, you're going to be mini chefs. You're going to serve up a rather delicious-looking spaghetti bolognese. But today, I'm feeling quite hungry, so I'd like a giant portion on my giant plate. Look at that! It's massive. And you're going to use all these wonderful ingredients. We've got spaghetti, we've got mince, tomatoes, and some tasty-looking toppings. So, Ewan, Leona, and Brandon, do you think you can do it?
Yes!
I think so too, my friends, but you've got to serve up that spaghetti before Scraps makes this noise.
Mamma mia!
Get ready, get steady, mini chefs, go! Off you go, my friends. That's it, spread it out. That's it, you've got it. Well done, it's looking really nice already. What do you think we should do next, Leona?
Add mint.
Okay, right, off you go. Bit closer, maybe, Brandon. That's it. We better hurry up, mini makers. That's it. Get that sauce on there. Right, let's find some toppings. Get it on, my friend. Put loads on, put loads on. Get the knife and the fork. Okay, brilliant, that's great.
Mamma mia!
Oh, Scrap says time up. Back over here, mini makers. Well done, mini makers. Look at that super spaghetti bolognese. It's almost good enough to eat. Well done, my friends. That was brilliant. But now it's time to tidy up. So you get started, mini makers. We've had a brilliant arty party today.
We've had lots of fantastic foodie fun, making yummy paper sandwiches and torn paper fruit and veg. We found out how Giuseppe Arcimboldo used food in his art, and we made some giant super spaghetti. Arty at our arty party. Are you ready?
Your fun just begun! Yes, our party's over, but your arty fun is just beginning. It's time to put the party pad back in its box. See you soon, everyone. Bye!